Control for statistical inference attacks: apply control to query or to data items, effective primarily against the direct attacks, and it's difficult to determine whether a given query discloses sensitive data or not. Suppression: sometimes you need to suppress the data, or conceal means hide the data, or make it makhfi. Two controls apply to the data item. Suppression: how to suppress the data? Suppress sensitive data from the result. Sometimes you need, when you give the result, so you suppress the data, you reject some of the query is rejected without response. So that is called, when you know that, when the database administrator know that this query will reveal some information, you reject that query over there. So this is your duty being an information security professional. You have to teach the database administrator that this kind of query comes, don't just reject that one from the website. Okay. Concealing: how to conceal? Answer is close to the actual. Sometimes you give the value, but it is close. For example, if the salary is 20,000, but exact salary 20,000, it will show like 22 or 18 or something, not exactly. Okay, so that it becomes like a concealing. Concealing means hiding the data. So suppression and concealing reflects the contrast between the security and the precision. So controls for statistical inference. So how we do it? Do we have time? Okay, you have 2 slides. That's fine. So we can easily cover this one. So how we do that one? So look at this one. This result here on this one, combining the results. So by this way, this shows you the results of drug usage. Drug usage means the medicine. Here drugs means medicine, because some countries they call drug as a medicine. So here, how many people are using this drug, number 1, 2 and 3, okay, 4. So by this way we can know that this one is using this one is using this one. So by this way it is more exact. But here we combine 0 or 1, they use 2 and 3, they use 3. So it's combined. How they combine? See, look at this one, 2 and 3. So they just like add this thing, they add it, okay, and they add it up. So by this way they don't know the exact information, they only know the combined information, so they cannot easily guess it. So this is one of the methods that how they do the suppressing. So n item k% rule, eliminating certain low frequency items from the being displayed. So sometimes if there is low frequency items in your text or in your data, you just eliminate them. This is called n item k% rule. If there are n records and they represent over k% of reported results, omit these records from the results over there. So this is that you need to omit those low frequency elements. Combined results: report sets or range of possible values. Okay, so you report set or the range of possible values, not the exact values. Random sampling means sometimes you don't give the results from all of your databases, you just choose a part of your database and then give the results to the people. Compute results on the random sample of the database records, not the whole database. So for example, if this is your database, so you apply on this random sample, this one, okay, and you give the result on this one. So you don't give the result based on all the data, you just give the statistical result from sample 1, sample 2. This is called random sampling. And another is called stratified sampling. Stratified means like you making a grouping, okay, you make a grouping like as I told you. So there is a difference between, and even in the research there is a difference between random sampling and stratified. So in the stratified you make a grouping, okay, exact grouping over there, right? This is called stratified. Okay, this is called stratified. Okay.